Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a certified pre-owned 2019 Ram Classic SLT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2508P. Only 13,000 miles, and this Ram comes to us with a clean auto check Historybr report. Delmonico Red in color. To be certified pre-owned, vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with roadside assistance and car rental allowance. This Ram seats 6 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. Additional in-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And sliding rear window for extra ventilation. Backup camera for additional safety. Trailering package. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This SLT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. 8-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, compass, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, cup holders and storage in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input allowing you to connect media devices, otherwise up and out of the way for a middle passenger. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified pre-owned warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.